Time to play with some clay. Well, hello. This is a review of this particular instructional video that I've posted here. I hope you'll enjoy it. It's a short review of the video, what's on the video that's located at Vimeo. At the end of this video, I will show you how to purchase a video armature, and it's the 24-inch tall. I'm going to sculpt the female figure first, without clothes. I'm going to get the underbody first before I start putting the clothes on. This video covers about 6 months of sculpting on this piece from start to finish to the bronze. Here I am starting the head, and that clay head in the background is a clay that had done years ago of Sacagawea, and I just wanted to use it as a model for her face. Here I show you how to put the head back on the body, and then I start positioning the figure. And this whole idea for this piece came from one pose that I took of a young lady who lives over in Virginia City, a daughter of a friend of mine. And I show you how to put the clay on, how to build the under surface that goes below the clay or the dress. Here I'm showing how to make fringe, and I try to show you how to do all these things so it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg when you cast it. It's still going to cost you a lot because bronze casting is inherently very expensive. But I'm taking my 38 going on 39 years of sculpting and trying to pass it on to you through these videos. Here I am just starting to add clay so that I can put hanging fringe off her sleeve. You got to have stuff underneath the fringe, and here I'm working on the face, trying to personalize it a little bit. And the face is pretty much coming out of my head, but I'm also using photographs of young Indian ladies to do the face. And braiding hair, doing the hair. And then I end up in a gallery in Tahoe at the end of creating this piece last summer. And I finished up the clay at the gallery, actually. Here I'm laying down the bead thing that's going to go on there, and then I'm putting in the pattern of the Cheyenne bead work, which is rather complicated. And I'm also working on the face and finishing up things like adding an earring here and an earring on the other side. And then I show you the original bronze. This is the actual color of bronze once it's cast and sandblasted. It's actually a white metal that you can polish up, make look like brass. And then here the guy at the foundry was putting on the patina, which is done with acid and heat. And this is the final bronze. Well, here's the segment where I tell you how to purchase your streaming video off of Vimeo. This is just a temporary page right now because I haven't created the 9 reviews of my current instructional videos yet, and that's so this is just a temporary page just to show you an example of what you're going to see when you come to this page. There's a link below my daily YouTube videos that will take you to this page, and here you will see all 9 videos, but I don't have them on here right now because I haven't edited them yet or created them yet. But there'll be 9 videos on this page right in this area here, and you'll be able to scroll down the page and review them all. Up here to the right is a drop-down menu, and will be listed all my videos. I just clicked a little arrow, down arrow up here, and it will be listed all my instructional videos here. and you click on the one you want to purchase. Let's see if I can do this. Say I want to purchase that one, add to cart. And it's all through PayPal. And I've got 2 videos that I've got listed here already on my PayPal pre-order. And up here in the upper right, there's a continue shopping, and I can drop down the menu and click on another video, add to cart, and automatically you got the third choice. I've already made 2 choices, and now I got a third choice. And then once you get that done, you click on the PayPal button to continue to the checkout. That's how you purchase my videos. As soon as I receive notification from PayPal that you've purchased a video, I put together a email to you with the link, or with the title of the video, as well as the link to the Vimeo video copy of it, and the password. Now, I also inform you up here, keep this email I send you or print it out so you'll always have the link and the password for the video you purchased. You can watch it on Vimeo as often as you want, as long as you have this. Thank you so much for your purchase. Of course, if you lose the email, you can always contact me and I can replace it. But the receipt for your purchase is here, and the link to the video, like I just told you, is right there. And it's very easy. You just click on that link, and then it'll ask you for the password before you can start watching the video. And it's just so simple. And as soon as I get I see that you purchased something, I get the video out to you, and you have it within seconds. It is so much easier than the old way that I did it by DVD, which I can't do anymore. All right, that's how you purchase and how you receive your instructional videos or video. Well, that's it, and I hope this has been helpful to you in making your decision. But wait, I have a great deal for you, and it's listed in the list of videos that you can order. The deal is, if you order all 9, you get 3 unlisted videos that are great videos. I just don't have room on PayPal to list them, so I have to keep them in reserve. But if you order all 9 of my videos at one time, you get 3 extra videos that are unlisted. Great videos. And I think you'd really enjoy them. And they're free. The 3, not the 9. All right, that's going to be it. I'm glad you watched this video, and I hope you found it interesting. Good day, everybody.